Hello there, welcome to my channel. This is Madhumita. On today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to get a perfect winged eyeliner for hooded eyes as well for everyone. So without further ado, let's get started. I already did my eyebrows and base as it's an eyeliner tutorial, so let's focus on the eyeliner. As you can see, I have hooded eyes. I don't have enough lid space, so during doing eyeliner, I will show you a few tips and tricks which may help you. First, I'm taking a small mirror and placing it downwards. Thus, I don't have to stretch my eyes during applying eyeliner. First, I will draw a baseline straight towards my brow tip. If you want, you can use sellotape as guideline. I'm using Kiko Milano Definition Waterproof Liquid Liner. If you want, you can use gel liner or pen liner also. Taking little bit of product, I'm drawing a line pointing to my brow tip as it's the extension of my lower lash line. Now I will start from mid part of my eyeline and slowly I will go towards my inner corner. As I have hooded eyes, I will keep it as thin as possible. Now to create wing, I am drawing a line from mid part of eyeline and connecting with the baseline. And then I am filling the gaps. If you want, you can stop here, just add mascara and you are ready to go. But I want little bit thick wing, so I am going ahead. You can see this is the problem of hooded eyes, this skin. If you draw thick line, when you relax your eyes, it will hide on. So for that I will use a trick. That is, first I am mapping the position where the loose skin is ending, then I am pointing it. Then starting from mid part, I am drawing lines in small stroke and then connecting to that point. Now I am just working on uneven edges. While you are doing all these processes, work with small strokes and less product. Tight lining my upper waterline. If you are afraid of this, you can follow this process. Then you will not hurt your eyes. This is optional. If you want, just skip it. You can see it's just changed my eye shape. My eye is looking bigger than my natural shape. Now I am applying mascara. Off camera, I add false lashes and now it's looking like this. If you are wearing false lashes, then first add false lashes, then apply liner, because sometimes lash glue can mess up your eyeliner. So this is the final look. Please let me know guys if this video is helpful or not by commenting down. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.